Let's have a look at the puppies this morning. There they are. If you've ever heard the expression puppy pile, it's a thing. It's a real thing. They're growing like crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Look how big they are. Much bigger than my hand. Their eyes are just starting to open. Just starting to open. Hey? Yeah. Ooh. There we go. This is another one. Yeah. See, the eyes are just starting to open. Yeah. Millie's doing such a good job with them. They're like the most content bunch we've ever had. They're almost never crying, and that means that their bellies are full and they're doing good. There you go. That's the update for today.